Today I have a tutorial on how to create a drop shadow around an image using Adobe Photoshop. So I have my path for this box. The background of this box is white. So to show the difference, I'm going to make a gray layer. Shift F5, I'm going to fill it with gray. So you'll be able to see. And then I load my path as a selection using this icon at the bottom of the path panel. And then I'm going to modify the selection slightly by contracting it a pixel. And then I'm going to make a new mask, layer mask. So that drops it out. Then I'm going to go back to white and load the selection again in the path panel. Create a new layer, shadow layer. I'll fill it with black. Fill, Shift F5, black. And then turn off my selection. Command D turns it off. And then I'm going to use a filter under the blur menu, Gaussian Blur. And I'll usually do 20 or so. Click OK. And then I use my arrow keys, my move tool, just to move it down slightly. Then I adjust the opacity. 50 or 30, something like 30 is usually good, 35. Depends on your application. And then just to remove this halo, I make another layer, adjustment layer, a mask adjustment, and use the brush tool and just remove it, mask this portion out. I have a pretty large tool selected, 2500 pixels. And then that's it, how to create a bottom drop shadow. Please like if you learned something. Thank you for watching.